यूज ऑफ कैन कोड, यूज ऑफ मे माइट, यूज ऑफ विल वुड। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जो ग्रामर का मॉडल्स हैं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और आपका बहुत यूजेबल भी है। आप जब सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन करते हो तो आपका कैन का, कुड का, मे मैट, विल वुड का जब यूज करते हो सेंटेंस में तो बहुत सारी डॉट्स आ जाती है, तो आप इसे बहुत ही अच्छे से क्लियर कर सकते हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू द explanation portion so that you can understand clearly. First, we have to know about models. Models क्या होता है? So I have given here. We use model verbs to show if we believe something in certain, probable और possible. ऐसा कभी सोचता है कि जो वर्ड जो हमें बताते हैं मॉडल वर्ब ये बताता है, शो करता है कि बिलीव करते हैं कुछ चीज पर कि जो सर्टेन है, प्रोबेबल है, संभावना है या तो पॉसिबिलिटी है या नहीं है, निश्चितता को बताता है। We also use models to do things like talking about ability, asking permission, making request and offers and so on. जब कभी भी हम इसकी बात करते हैं, मॉडल का यूज करते हैं, तो हम ये कहते हैं किस तरह से हम अरे बाबा जब हम मॉडल का यूज करते हैं तो हम ये देखते हैं एबिलिटी है किसी का पर्सन, या तो कभी परमिशन लेते हैं, किसी रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, ऑफर करते हैं, तब मॉडल्स का यूज करते हैं। मॉडल्स वर्ड्स आर। अब आपको सबसे पहले ये क्लियर करना होगा कि जो वर्ड्स है, मॉडल्स वर्ड्स है, वो क्या है। इससे कुछ मैंने यहाँ पर जो नेम भी दिया आपको क्लियर भी समझ में आ जाएगा। कैन, कोड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड। फिर हम इसका यूजेस जानेंगे कि किस तरह से यूज करते हैं सेंटेंस पे फॉर्मेशन जब हम करते हैं तो। नो, वी हैव टू गो थ्रू द one by one point. Possibility. We use the models could, might, and may to show that something is possible in the future and but not certain. Future में possible है but ये sure नहीं है, certain नहीं है. For example, here our sentences also they might come later. Perhaps maybe they will come later. Generally हम क्या बोलते हैं कि वो आएंगे बाद में. They may come by car. If we don't hurry, we could be late. आप सेंटेंस को थ्रू जाइए, सेंटेंस को अंडरस्टैंडिंग कीजिए, इट विल बी क्लियर। आपके सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएंगे, साफ साफ हो जाएंगे। और मैंने सब टेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे भी दिया है, आप नोट डाउन भी कर सकते हैं। आप एक बार में नहीं समझते हो तो उसको दो बार भी आप या ज्यादा एक बार भी आप देखो वीडियो को, बिल्कुल आपको समझ में आ जाएगी। वी यूज could have, might have and may have to show that something was possible now or at some time in the past. For example, it's 10 o'clock. They might have arrived by now. They could have arrived hours ago. We use the model scan to make general statement about what is possible. It can be very cold in winter. यहाँ पर जो सेंटेंस मैंने दिया ये बताता है it is sometimes very cold in winter. You can easily lose your way in the dark. You use the model could as the past tense of can. It could be very cold in winter. You could lose your way in the dark. Now, नेक्स्ट इज इम्पॉसिबिलिटी। यदि मैं बात करूं इम्पॉसिबिलिटी की, जहां पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं रहती है, यू यूज द नेगेटिव कैन और कैन नॉट टू शो दैट समथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। जनरली हम लोग भी ऐसे ही यूज करते हैं, बट जब हम सेंटेंस में आ जाते हैं, दैट कांट बी ट्रू, यू कैन नॉट बी सीरियस। वी यूज कुडंट एंड कुड नॉट टू टॉक अबाउट द पास्ट। न्यू, we knew it could not be true. That means अब आपको एक चीज को क्लियर तो जरूर हुआ होगा, ये कैन यदि है का पास्ट में जो है कुड होता है, और इसे आप जब कुड पास्ट में है देन हम सेंटेंस जो फॉर्मेशन करेंगे देन मेन वर्ब को भी हम अपने माइंड में रख सकते हैं। We knew it could not be true. He was obviously joking. He could not be serious. Now, if I'm talking about probability, यदि सेंटेंस ये हमें बताता है कि जो होने वाला है वो प्रोबेबिलिटी है, दैट इज नॉट श्योर बट इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी, we use the model must to show we are sure something to be true and we have reasons for our belief. It's getting dark, it must be quite late. You haven't eaten all day, you must be hungry. You use must have for the past. They hadn't eaten all day, they must have been hungry. You look happy. You must have heard the good news. Use the model should to suggest that something is true or will be true in the future and to show you have reasons for your suggestion. Suppose ask Miranda, she should know. It is nearly 6 o'clock, they should arrive soon. You should have to talk about the past. It is nearly 11 o'clock, they should have arrived by now. इस तरह से सेंटेंस के थ्रू हम ये जान सकते हैं किस तरह से प्रोबेबिलिटी जब होती है तो मस्ट बी और मस्ट हैव इस तरह से सेंटेंस में यूज भी करते हैं. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यूजेस ऑफ कैन कोड. आपको मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि कैन कोड की जो यूज होती है वो किस तरह से आपका पास्ट में और प्रेजेंट में यूज होते हैं और किस तरह से हम करते हैं. नाउ और हमें बताता है कि वो हमें क्षमता है कि नहीं. चलिए हम बात करते हैं सबसे पहले कैन के. We make questions by putting the subject after can could. First, can I, can you, could you, and so on. The negative form is can't, cannot. In spoken English, in the cannot is written English also. आप can't भी लिख लीजिए, can't लिख लीजिए, cannot लिख लीजिए. There is no problem. And it is spoken also. You can use this type of word. And the negative form of the could is couldn't. इसलिए मैं एक एक करके जाता हूँ, आपको कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होगी. कुड एंड नेगेटिव इज कुडंट. इंग्लिश कुड नॉट इज रिटन इन इंग्लिश. आप कुड नॉट राइट करें, कुडंट भी राइट करते हैं, दोनों राइट करते हैं, बट स्पोकन में ज्यादातर यूज करते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट में. नाउ वी यूज कैन एंड कैन नॉट. दैट मीन्स कैन इज पॉजिटिव एंड कैन नॉट इज नेगेटिव. टू टॉक अबाउट एबिलिटी, यस ये हमें एबिलिटी के बारे में बात करें तो देखिए हम कैन का कैसे यूज करते हैं. मारिया कैन स्पीक 4 लैंग्वेजेस. आई कैन नॉट स्विम बट माई सिस्टर कैन. Yes, to say that something is possible or impossible, learning English can be difficult. Learning English is something difficult. Children can be very naughty, and children are something by the naughty. There is still light outside. It is can't be bad side of the senses. If I'm talking about the one by one, then it will be better. I am here, and there is still light outside. I can't be bad time for the request and refusal of request. Can I go for? Can I go home? Yes, request and refusal. Can I go or no? Yes, you can go whenever you like. You can go the car today. To offer help to someone. Can I help you? Actually, here is in the starting a little word. So with this sentence is in question mark, right? So interrogative sentence. Can I carry the bag for you? We use could and couldn't in the past tense. Okay. Already I have told about this is in present form and this is in the past form and this is a positive and could not is negative. Now talk about ability. I could run very fast when I was younger. She couldn't get a job anywhere. To say that something was possible, if I'm talking about possible and impossible, our teacher could be very strict when we were at a school, and people were astounded in those days. We couldn't use computer in the 19th century to make the polite request. Yes, I've been talking about the polite request. Could I go now, please? Could you lend me a dictionary, please? To make polite offer, when you are talking about offer, could I give you a gift? I could carry that for you. We use could have to show that something in the possible now or was possible is something sometimes is past. It is 10 o'clock, they could have arrived now. इस तरह sentence की जो formation होती है, it is a very helpful for you spoken and whenever you making sentence, whenever you write sentence, obviously it will be very helpful and with this you can make correct sentence also. Now, use of may might. We make questions by putting the subject after may might. It's show may I, could I, might I, like this. Now, the negative forms may not and might not. We use may when you are not sure about something. Actually, जब हम can का यूज करते हैं तो हमें ये बताता है कि यू हैविंग एबिलिटी दैट आप कर सकते हो. लेकिन मे की बात करते हैं देन हमें ये बताता है कि आप श्योर नहीं हो या तो आप में वो क्षमता नहीं है. क्लियर. Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. Oh dear, it's 10:30. We may be late for the meeting. There may not be many people to make polite requests. Whenever you making polite request, whenever you ask me your offering, then may I borrow the car tomorrow? May we come a bit later? When you use may not for refusal, at the time of refusal, you may not. You may not borrow the car until you can be more careful with it. Okay? Now, next. When you use might in the sentence, when you are not sure about something, आप sure नहीं हो कि जो होने वाला है, may met. अब मैंने पहले ही बता दिया, may met. That means आपको मालूम नहीं है कि क्या होने वाला है. That means you are not sure. When you are not sure about something, आप इसके बारे में sure नहीं हो, then you are using might in the sentence. Clear? I might see you tomorrow. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. It's quite bright. It might not rain today. As the past tense, may for request. Yes, may for request in the past tense. He asked if he might borrow tomorrow. यहाँ जो बताया गया, ये बताया गया कि ये past form में ले गया tense of may for the request. Clear? But यहाँ जो बताया गया, it is not sure about something. It might see you tomorrow. Now, they wanted to know if they might come later. For polite request, might I ask you a question? Yes, I repeat it. Might I ask you a question? Might we just interrupt for a moment? So we can understand clearly use of might. Now we use may have and might have to show that something was possibly happened now or happened at some time in the past. It's 10 o'clock. They might have arrived now. Perhaps they have arrived. They may have arrived hours ago. Perhaps they arrived hours ago. इस तरह से जो सेंटेंस को मैं फॉर्मेशन करता हूँ दे मैट हैव अराइव्ड नाउ दैट मींस इट इज वेरी क्लियर दे हैव अराइव्ड यस परहैप्स जनरली ऐसा होता है बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दे मे हैव अराइव्ड आवर्स अगो तब जनरली क्या हो जाती है दे अराइव्ड आवर्स अगो क्लियर नाउ यूज ऑफ विल वुड okay you know about very well you will that means in future tense now to talk about the future to say what we believe will happen to talk about people want to do or are willing to do to make promise and offer that means इस तरह के जब सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन हो सिचुएशन हो देन हम will का यूज करते हैं would be the past tense okay then it is very clear will is the future and of will would is पास्ट टेंस है फॉर्म ऑफ विल आपको ये भी अब समझ में आ गई कि विल का जो पास्ट फॉर्म है वो वुड है बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पास्ट टेंस इट इज यूज्ड बिकॉज इट इज a past tense it is used to talk about the past to talk about hypothesis for politeness इस तरह से हम बात करते हैं now will का यूज करें to say what we believe will happen in the future we will be late we will have to take we would we use would as the past tense of will to say what they believe would happen कैसे करते हैं I thought I would be late मैंने यहाँ पर will के बारे में बताया okay and if I'm talking about past of will that means would then I thought I would be late so I would have to take the train clear now offers and promise जब हम किसी को ऑफर करते हैं या किसी से प्रोमिस करते हैं तब सेंटेंस को कैसे फॉर्मेशन करते हैं कैसे लाते हैं सेंटेंस में नाउ we use I will or we will to make offers and promises. I will give you a gift. I will give you a lift home after the party. Again, I repeat it. I will give you a lift home after the party. Okay. And next is we will come and see you next week. Clear? Now, willingness to talk about what people want to do or willing to do. क्या चाहता है और उसके क्या करने की क्षमता है उनकी इच्छाएं क्या है we see you tomorrow perhaps that will land with a car we use would as the past tense of will you know very well कि past tense जो है will का would होता है अब आगे इसकी बात करें to talk about that what people wanted to do or were willing to do we had a terrible night the baby wouldn't go to sleep he kept waking up and crying dad wouldn't lend me the car Dad wouldn't lend me the car. So we had to take the turn. If I'm talking about to talk about something that we would often in the past because they wanted to do when they are with children, they used to spend their holidays at their grandmother's at the seaside. They would get up early every morning and they would have a quick breakfast. Then they would run across the road to the beach. Now, conditional. हम बात करते हैं अब कंडीशनल का जिस कंडीशनल आ जाती है तो विल और वुड के यूज कैसे करते हैं नाउ आई विल गिव हर अ कॉल इफ आई कैन फाइंड हर नंबर okay and one thing I want to share with you if I'm talking about negative of will then will not and you have to speak you have to write also want okay you want it is negative of will you won't get it in unless you have a ticket. We use would to talk about hypothesis. To talk about the result or effect of the possible situation, it would be very expensive to stay in hotel. Now, in conditional with the words, if would we give her a call, if I would find her number, if I had the money, I had a new car. Okay, and I have the money, I would buy a new car. You would lose weight if you took more exercise. If he got a new job, he would probably make more money. What if they lost this job? What would happen then? This is a question form. And what would happen then? Okay. So we use conditional to give the advice also. Okay. Phrases with would. Now I'm talking about phrases with would. Would you mind not now, would you carry this for me, please? Then the questioning tone, in the questioning way, that means note of interrogation is there, and sentence is interrogative sentence. And would you mind carrying this? Would you mind not telling him that? No. Would you like? Would you like to? For offering an invitation. Would you like to come down there tomorrow? That means you this type of sentence you can use for offering an invitation. If you invite anyone, would you like another drink? That means you are offering here. No, I would like. Okay, I would like that one place. I would like to go home now. I would rather. I would rather. It is written this way. I would. It is the same. Okay, I have given here to understanding you. It is same. Okay, right. To say what I will prefer. I would rather have that one. I would rather go home now. I would think. I would imagine. I would guess. Okay, it is very difficult. I would imagine. You would think that is the right answer. Okay, so this step in this way you can clear your doubt and you can understand and you can know about use of will, can, could, and may, might, and through this you can speak very well and you can make sentence also and your sentence formation will be correct. Thank you. Thank you so much.